Hi, today we're going to look at how we can convert a Notion form into a PDF file. As you can see, I have got a letter of intent to purchase business form, wherein once a user fills in all the details in this particular form and they click on submit button, the responses go to the responsive side in this particular database. So once the responses are captured, I'm looking to create an automation system which can help me create PDF files completely in automation. For this, I want to use a tool known as PDF Output. PDF Output will help you create PDF files on automation with the help of a Google document and a Notion database. For this, let's click on Create PDF. But before that, you can obviously create any document at scale, such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, quotations, or anything which you need to generate at scale. Click on Create PDF and simply sign in with any of your Google account. And once you're logged in, you will be able to generate the PDFs on automation. So I'm already signed in, and inside you can see I need to add two things. First is the Notion database, then I need to add the document. So once we add the database from here and we add the document, we'll be able to create an automation system which can help us create PDFs forever. So let's start with adding the database. So I'll click on add Notion database and it will allow us to add a database from here. So what I need to do is let me copy this database title, such as the letter of intent form. Let me copy this entire title. I'll go back to the selection screen. I'll click on next. You have two different options. If you go with the first option, it will create a copy of a database on your workspace, which is ideal for testing purposes. But I want to add my own database. So I'll click on select pages and again I'll click on select pages. And here I can enter the database title over here. Once I do that, it shows me the particular form. Click on this and it gets added, which you can use for the automation setup. Scroll down and you click on allow access. But before that, I want to highlight few things. Whenever you're adding a database, always copy the database title and put it inside the search pages. Do not add the database by selecting these top level pages from here, because it takes a while to load the database and your experience will not be smooth. Alongside this, if your database contains any relation properties, so let's say the letter of intent form is connected with the database A and database B through relation, you need to also add database A and database B over here alongside letter of intent form. Until and unless you do not add all the databases together, the particular PDF file created will not have relation roller properties added to that. So make sure you're adding the main database as well as any relation database which are being used in the search pages field, so that the PDF files created will have the relation roller properties added to it. Having considered all of these points, let's scroll down and let's click on allow access. And now we will get access to the particular form. So let's wait for a few seconds, and if you click on the drop down, your particular database should appear here. If it is not appearing, simply click on reload database, or you can simply refresh the page once and your database will definitely appear this time. Okay, so you can see it has still not yet appeared. So let me just refresh it once again. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database, but it will surely appear. You can see the letter of intent form is appearing over here. Let me click on this, and now it will load all the properties of that particular database in the drop down over here. So you can see all the properties of the database are loaded up over here, which we can use for the rest of the automation process. For this, what I need to do is I need to first add the document. So click on add Google document. And if you already have a letter of intent form database available, click on select existing document, and it will allow you to add any existing document which you have on your drive. I do not have any such document available, so I will instead add a demo document which I can use for the automation setup. Once I click on add demo document, it will create me a demo document right inside my PDF output dashboard, and I can start to edit this document as per my requirement. So let me remove this text which I do not need, and you can see it has automatically created for me all the placeholders that I wanted to have as per the database that you see over here. So we have all the fields over here, and all the fields are automatically mapped corresponding to values inside double curly brackets. So when the PDF will be created, all these values inside double curly brackets will be replaced from the values in the database, and a PDF will be generated. As an example, assets included will be replaced with the assets included value that you have over here when the PDF will be created. Similarly for all the fields. If you want to add any field onto the document, simply click on copy. So let's say I want to add the buyer phone number. I will click on copy, go to the document and use Control V or Command V on your keyboard. So you can simply paste it, and the particular placeholder will be created right inside the document. Likewise, you can go and copy any property from this list and simply paste it onto the document, and it will be created instantly. My mappings are already done, so I will not make any changes. Now before I generate the PDF, I need to also ensure that I define the PDF file name correctly. So I want to create the PDF file as per the business details that we have over here. Okay, so I will select business details from this drop down, and now my PDFs will be generated as per this particular information that we see. Besides this, if you scroll to the right side of the database, you will be able to see these two additional columns: generate PDF and PDF file. If any record is marked as ready to generate, the PDF file will be created for those specific records, and it will directly be stored in the PDF file section. So make sure you turn these records as ready to generate whichever you want to create as PDF. Once all these things are in place, let's click on download PDF, and now my PDFs are getting processed, and all the downloaded PDFs will be stored right inside these PDF files. It will also be downloaded onto the downloads folder, as you can see, and it will even be saved in the PDF file section within a while. So you can see the file is already out. Click on this and you will be able to see the entire file with all the mappings intact. So you can see all the mappings that we had added earlier are automatically created as per the database that we have. Let's see the second record. So it is getting generated, and let's click on this and we will be able to see the second record as well. So this file also has all the mappings in place. So we just created two files quickly, which has all the mappings in place as per our requirement. Okay, now what we need to do next is, once everything is correctly set up, we can simply click on this setup notion automation, and now it will completely create an automation system which can create PDFs forever. So this means you do not need to come back to PDF output ever again and manually do all these settings to create the PDF. All you need to do is, once you add new pages in this list and mark it as ready to generate, the PDF will be created right inside this PDF file column. So whenever a user will submit a response through this form and a new response gets added, you simply need to mark those records as ready to generate, and the PDF file will be directly created in the PDF file section. That makes it easy and convenient to use, as you just need to control from here which records you want to create as PDF, and everything happens instantly directly inside the database. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful to you. If you still have questions, use this chat bubble at the bottom and send me a message on your issues. I'll be able to assist you with any queries that you might be having. You also have an option to contact me through the contact section that we have at the bottom of the home page, wherein you can send me your email with the issues on this and I'll be able to guide you. There is also a free demo session available for a use case which you can use. So make advantage of this free demo session if you want to